Welcome to Metro Cagayan de Oro. Hi guys, welcome to my blog. I'm Architect Studio and today we're on our way to SM City Uptown Cagayan de Oro.
And look at what we've got. There's so much more in just one stop. Here at SM, we've got it all. We've got it. Lots of excitement, fashion and fun. A shopping experience for everyone. Here at SM, it's all at SM.
SM City Cagayan de Oro is a shopping mall owned and operated by SM Prime Holders. SM Prime Holders is the largest mall operator in the Philippines. SM City Cagayan de Oro is the first SM super mall in northern Mindanao. The mall, which is surrounded by high-end subdivision and condominium, is located along Father Masterson Avenue, Pueblo de Oro Township, Uptown Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City, Misamis Oriental. Established in February 15, 2002 with a total gross floor area of 87,837 square meters on a 5.2 hectares land. The mall features major and minor anchor stores such as SM Department Store, SM Supermarket, Cyberzone, SM Appliance Center, Ace Hardware, Toy Kingdom, and SM Cinemas. The mall also has service centers, specialty stores, and restaurants in indoor and outdoor parking spaces. In 2012, the mall undergo a major renovation. Today, SM City Cagayan de Oro is currently under another mall transformation. The construction site of the expansion project is the former open parking of SM Cagayan de Oro, which is located at the right wing of the mall. As per source, this 4-level mall expansion will be connected to the main mall by a bridge. The first and second level will be for food and wellness tenants. In the third floor and the roof deck, which is the 4th level, is intended for parking areas. While a major renovation work inside the current mall is currently on progress. Some section of the mall, like Ace Hardware, SM Appliance Center, Giordano, are now close to give way for the renovation. As per source, SM Department Store will be relocated to the current SM Supermarket area, given the supplementary room for the improvement of SM Department Store. While Ace Hardware has already relocated at the ground level of the SM parking building located at the rear side of the main mall. Renovation and reconstruction will be done in phases so as not to disturb the mall operation. After this major renovation and reconstruction, SM City Cagayan de Oro will have an additional of 2,000 square meters gross floor area as per smprime.com Investor Kit 2021. Expect a new whole different and level up of SM City Uptown Cagayan de Oro soon.
Hi guys! Please subscribe to Architect Studio by Patrick, and God bless Gerald.